I am a lot of things, a lot of places, a lot of people.
So very special.
I was born and raised in Lebanon, a place I never thought of leaving before. Everything was so loud, so bright, so colorful. Everything was just so beautiful, and leaving meant giving away a part of myself. August 2020, I was still there, but a part of myself was already lost. One of the largest non-nuclear explosions ever recorded hit Lebanon. Leaving was no longer an option. 1 year later, I was in a different reality, pursuing an engineering internship in the United States. The people I worked with were amazing, but I felt that I did not belong in the industrial world. See, I was not just looking for a way out of my country, I was looking for a way to find myself, and I did. I want to influence people to showcase my creativity, to make art. To do that, attending Schema in France is one of my best bets. When I was back home, the situation was bad, but my community was happy. It was another kind of happiness, happiness you fight for in the middle of chaos. My community is a fighter. No matter where, every community can make the bad good and the good great. This is what makes us human, our ability to laugh, love, cry, and feel with one another. For that, I will never be afraid to leave, nor will I be afraid to come back.